bringing it.
Hello everyone, this is Vishal and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn that how to change the color of any object using some adjustments in Photoshop. Here is our image and I want to change the color of the dress red to something else. So to change the color, we have to take an adjustment layer. To take the adjustment layer, just click on this icon and select hue and saturation. Basically, hue are our colors and saturation is the intensity of colors. So after that, we have to pick the color we want to change. To pick the color, just click on this hand icon tool and pick that color you want to change. After that, set the hue slider to full and saturation slider to full. Now you see our full image is colored, but we have to change the color of only dress. So we have to come back the other colors, dress color. So to come back the color, just adjust the sliders and now you see our other colors are come back. Now we have to set the range of colors we want to change in our dress. I think this is fine. So after that, just get back the hue and saturation sliders to normal. Then to change the color, just play with the hue slider. You see the color changes precisely. You can also change the intensity of colors, white, black and other you want. So guys, if you like this trick, press the bell icon and subscribe the channel. Thank you.